What's up? Welcome back YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to master a guitar beat in flstudiomobile. Yeah man, make sure you guys subscribe. I'ma try to explain step by step, although it can be kinda hard for me because I don't know, but I'ma do my best. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and watch the video to the end. Let's go. So guys, basically what I'm trying to do right now is to show you how I started with the chord progression. So and then uh, I had to chop this chord progression into pieces so that I can get like some sort of a guitar strumming type of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So most of the time, the trick here when it comes to guitar samples, you need to add the effects like EQ and reverb. You can listen now without the effects, without the EQ. It's very harsh, and if you add the EQ and cut down the lows, the basic of the guitar, then you add some reverb, then you're gonna get a sweet beautiful guitar. And then you add attack here if you don't want the strings to be yeah. So guys, as you already know me, I like to use the Raz 8085 Brazy, and sometimes you need to add this distortion, man, to get that fullness of the 808 so that you can hit, you know. Then I added this pad sound from, let me check again. I added this sound, I think it's GMS or synthesizer. Yeah, it's GMS synthesizer. So yeah, I love using synthesizers. They have that sound. God damn.